Hey everyone, it's Dream Skillerin. I'm here today with Money Intellect Organization, Young Entrepreneurs, and we are going to talk about articles of incorporation, how to prepare, how to file them, and we're going to be using California's Secretary of State website for this lesson. So let's jump right in. So, first what we'll be doing is we'll open up the web browser. And then we will go to um, and then we will go to sos.ca.gov, and that'll take us to the Secretary of State website, and this is Shirley N. Weber. You'll see a bunch of links here. What you want to do is click on business, and then under business programs, you want to scroll down, find Biz File Online, click Biz File Online, and then it'll come to this screen. If you don't have an account already with them, you'll have to sign up with an account. It just asks basics like, let's see, sign up. It's your email, password, first, last name, phone number, and the organization. I already have a account, so we don't have to do that. We'll just log in for demonstration purposes. And sign in. And then you'll get the Biz File Online, California Secretary of State. And then you have a bunch of things, liens, trademarks. You want to go to business entities. And under business entities, you want to go to register a business. They have others like file statement information, reserve a business entity name. We have videos on those as well. So click on register a business. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're opening up a nonprofit organization with the intent on 501c3 public benefit. You see here you got limited liability, stock corporations, nonprofit corporations is where we're looking at. Public benefit, we'll click that. Online processing fee is $0. That's for a limited time only. It's like a COVID relief thing. So we'll click the file online. And here you'll get a terms and condition of use. You can read through it or not. And you click this button down here. I read and agreed to provide it. Privacy warnings and terms of condition and use. And we'll go to the next step. Click. Name, let's go with, let's just put John Doe. And email address, let's just put John Doe. John Doe 25 at yahoo.com. And for the phone number, let's just put 323-675-1438. These are all made up numbers. It doesn't really matter. I'm not filing this, so we'll go down after it. After you put your name, email address, and phone number, you go down to the next step. A previous reserved name will be used for this filing. And if you had a reserved name, you can click yes. we don't for the purposes of this video. So we'll click no, and then under corporation name we'll put pethouse.org. And do the same thing on this one. Pethouse.org. It's confirmation, corporation name confirmation, and then we'll go down here to the next step. Address, and we'll just make one up here. We'll say 2345 South Reseda Street. Let's just say South Central Street. City, Los Angeles. California, 9044. And then instead of writing all this over, you can actually just copy. Hit copy, same thing. One is initial street address, principal office corporation. The other one is initial mailing address of corporation. And if you want attention for it to go somewhere, you can put that, the person name there or the department. Then you hit next step. Select agent type. You got individual, you got California registered corporate agent. For the purposes of this video, we're gonna go individual, and we'll put John Doe. And 3456 South Street. And that'd be Los Angeles. And 44. After you put the name and address and all that stuff, we'll go down to the next step. This says the corporation is a non-profit public benefit corporation and is not organized for the private gain of any person. It is organized in a non-profit public benefit law for, and you can either check public purposes, charitable purposes, or public and charitable purpose. For the video, we'll pick public and charitable purposes. Most non-profits do intend on applying for tax exemption, so yes, we'll Internal Revenue Code Section 501c3. Additional statements. The specific purpose of this corporation is to, let's say, rescue pets, rescue abandoned pets. Or, no, let's say, rescue wounded pets. File date, you can scroll down, you see file date. We're gonna say current date, but you can have a future file date if you want to. And then we'll go to the next step. If you have any attachments, which is, you really don't need them at all, you can put them here, but we're gonna bypass that because go to the next step. Then you have all the information you put in here. See, it's submitter information, corporate name, business address, agent for service, additional statements, and you have one or multiple signatures. For the purpose of the video, we want one signature, but you'll have multiple signatures if you have multiple incorporators and or initial directors. And declare on the person executing this instrument. Next step. Processing fee is $0 again. If you want a certified copy, it'd be $5. Standard shipping is free. Processing is free. 24-hour expedient service is costly. Same day service is much more costly. But since it's free, we'll do this. We'll go right down to the next step. And now we're ready to file online. The document is complete. Once we file it online, since there's no filing fee, so I will not be clicking the button because this was for demonstrations only. But once you file, the Secretary of State will review it and file it and process it and give you a filing number. And that is how you file your articles of incorporation for the California nonprofit public benefit corporation.